In this video, you will learn to create a multicolored striped background. Welcome creators to your world where we learn to earn with graphic design and online business. Sir Orlando here. Do you wish to add some color and fun to your designs? Or do you just wish to create a wonderful and amazing background pattern design? Then watch this video where I show you how to create a multicolored striped background pattern which you can use for various projects like your gift wraps, your book covers, and many more. You can also customize them for business. Are you ready to learn? Let's go! Draw a rectangle and change the size to 75 by 150 millimeters. Make a copy and drag from the top center part, holding down the shift key till you get to a size like this. Select the smear tool and click and drag from the top part of the box to get a result like this. With the shape tool, select one of the nodes and break it apart and delete the bottom line. Now let's position this line with a bump at the bottom part of our initial rectangle. Open the transform window and set position to the top center and change the y-axis to 10 millimeters. Hit apply. Now, in order to get different sizes of the shape, keep changing and playing around with the size of the y-axis. Make some 5, make some 14, as you can see on the screen, just to give us variety. So have fun doing this till you get to the top part of the rectangle. Great. Now that we are done, let's select all and group. Using the Smart Fill tool, let's fill up the spaces of the shapes. Now select the grouped object behind and delete. Now select one of the shapes and apply a gradient fill using the interactive fill tool. Adjust the positions as you see on the screen. To add more colors, just stand on the line and double click to create additional color pods. Then click to change the colors as you see on the screen. You are trying to create a blend from the original colors to a dark shade to a lighter shade and then back to the original color. Since we have a bump, it's going to cast a shadow to one side and it's going to receive more light on one side. That is why we are having a darker shade at the left and then having a lighter shade to the right of the bump. But it's going to end with the original color as it began. So as I always say, feel free to play around with your own colors and settings to achieve the results you want. Now that we are done, let's copy the fill to another shape and change the color scheme to a different one. You can follow the process as you see on the screen to get a different color shade. But we are still going to have our dark and our light shades exactly where the first one also had his. Mind you, if you change the position, it's going to distort or deform our final outlook. That is why we copied the exact fill from the first one we created. And we are going to do this for all or as many colors as we will want our design to have. So the process will be repeated, just that we are going to be changing the colors to fit our intended purpose. So you can follow on screen to see exactly how it was done. Now that we are done with the number of colors we want, we just have to repeat the process of copying the fields of the ones we've already done. When you are done, select all, take away the outline, and group. Draw a vertical rectangle of 2 millimeters by 150 millimeters and fill it with white and position it as you see on the screen. This will be our reflection. Go for the transparency tool and set the mode to overlay. Now select everything and group. Go to the transform window, select the right position and make 2 copies. Select everything and group. Now double click on the rectangle tool to give you a rectangle around your page and power clip the background we just created into that shape. Select the center alignment. Take away the outline of the rectangle. Great, we're having an awesome one. Now let's tweak it a bit. So extract your power clip and ungroup. Select one of the groups and drag it to the right to see how it's going to look like. Select the other one to the left and drag that also. Keep playing around till you create awesome and amazing designs. I would love to see them. Now we want to add some shadow effects. So copy and paste one onto another page and this time ungroup all. Select the red shape at the bottom and go for the shadow tool and apply as you see on the screen. Now we want to repeat the shadow. So select the next shape, go to object, copy effect and drop shadow. Click on the drop shadow we just did and it's so easy to repeat a drop shadow effect on another object. So we repeat this process through all. So keep selecting the shapes, going to object, copy effect, copy drop shadow. Awesome. So this is how our design is looking like with the shadows. Select all and group. Now we want to see how our design is going to look like in a letter. For this video, I'm using the letter A in Arial bold font. So power clip our design into the letter and adjust to fit into our letter. Congratulations, you just created an amazing artwork and I would love to see what you do with this. If you got value from this video, then subscribe for more inspiring content. Your likes and your comments are deeply appreciated. Start creating yours now.